Want to know how to get SM ASCP the right way? Stop guessing. I'll walk you through every essential step today. Plus, I'll bust the top myth that trips up lab pros just like you. Stick around for the real roadmap and a crucial tip most experts never mention. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to get SM ASCP step by step. We break down ASCP requirements, exams, and secrets for certification success. MLSIacademy.com is built for lab professionals chasing ASCP superiority worldwide. First, decide your exam category and route for SM ASCP. Each requires specific education, training, or experience. Review every eligibility rule on the ASCP site before you apply. Don't skip documentation. Incomplete records delay your approval. Application fees are non-refundable, so choose your route with care. Most applicants need a regionally accredited bachelor's degree. You may also require clinical microbiology lab experience in 4 domains. Check your program's accreditation status for exam eligibility. The ASCP doesn't review your eligibility before you apply, it's on you. Create your ASCP account, pick Specialist in Microbiology, and complete the application. Upload transcripts and all relevant training documentation. Pay the application fee and track your status online. Myth: you can change routes after applying. Not true. Once submitted, your category and route can't be switched. Thousands have aced ASCP using LSI Academy's live classes, video lessons, guides, and QBanks. All resources are available right now on our platform. Here's the recap on how to get SM ASCP. Determine your eligibility, gather documentation, apply online, then prep for exam dominance. Check out MLSIacademy.com for premium study resources. Next up, we'll dive deep on the SM ASCP exam itself. Subscribe or check the channel so you don't miss the complete breakdown.